Hey there, class. So today we're going to be learning about different breeds of animals. And I'm going to have dogs as an example for you for this project. So, different breeds of animals aren't different kinds of animals because different kinds of animals could be dogs, cats, cows, chickens, sheep, lizards, crocodiles. Those are different kind of animals. Different kind of breeds would consist of one animal with different looks. So, for example, you all know that a dachshund, a little dachshund dog, is short and has short legs and like a little long body. And then you look at German shepherds and they're big and they're muscular and they're beautiful dogs. Both the cutest things, but they both have different breeds. A dachshund is its own breed, and a German shepherd is also its own breed, but they're both dogs. So they're both in the animal description of dogs, except for they just have different breeds. So that's what we're going to work on today in our project. So I have a um, poster that I want you to make similar to this one after choosing your own animal. I really want you to choose your own animal. So these could be cats, these could be dogs, these could be lizards, any animal that you really like. I chose dogs because I personally love dogs. The first thing I want you to think of is I want you to make it colorful. This page that the photos are on, this poster, this color is fun, but you can change the color to your own color. It doesn't have to be purple. So, what I want you to do is I want you to go up to the design tab on the top left. It says design. Okay. You're going to have to practice reading your words. And we're going to go over to page color on the right hand side. You can change it to any color you would like. So I could change it to red or orange or yellow. And then I can go here for more colors and select any of these in this range. So I'm going to go with green. Ooh, that's cool. All right. So that's a cool design element. Pick any color you like. It's your project, it's your poster. I want you to be creative. We can also change the font of your words. We can scroll down and choose any. There's so many options. We're going to do this one. Okay. So for this project, after you put some design elements in there, I want you to make sure you have 4 different breeds of whatever animal you chose. So if it's a cat, I want 4 different kinds of cats on your poster. If it's a lizard, I want 4 different kinds of lizard on your poster, etc. So far I have 3 different dogs, as you can see on my poster. I got a corgi and I labeled it. This is important. I want you to label every single one. Okay, so I know what kind of cat you're talking about, what kind of lizard, what kind of dog. So I got a corgi, I have a Great Pyrenees, and I have a German Shepherd. So now we need to figure out what other dogs there are. So we're going to go to Google or your internet browser and we're just going to search a dog. So let's look up a Dalmatian. I'm going to go to images and you select an image that you really like. Ooh, this one's a pretty Dalmatian. So how we're going to put it in our Word document is we are going to right click on the picture that you want and we're going to copy the image. Okay. Then we're going to go back to our Word document and we're going to click on our page and we're going to right click on your mouse and you're going to go down to paste this little thing here. And then it pastes it on there. Look at that. Uh-oh. We got our words mixed up. All right, so now I want you to click on the picture, and there's these little dots that come up, and you can resize your picture. You can make it smaller than it really is. And sometimes you just have to play around with it till you can get it right. We want them all on the same page. All right, so now we have 4 different breeds of dogs on here. But we need to label each one. So remember, we have to label this one Dalmatian. Okay, so that is how you insert pictures to make your poster for this project, okay? As you can see, we need 4 different kinds of the animal you choose. You need to label each one. I want you to make the page the color that you want, and I want you to play around with the fonts. This will get you used to Word document, or um, this will just get you used to using things on the computer and typing, okay? And if you need help, please ask me for questions. Now, if you're super duper smart, which all my students are, I want you, and you get done kind of ahead of time, I want you to take out a pencil and a paper, and I want you to write down why you chose the animal that you chose. So if you have extra time on the clock and you're done with your poster and you got it accomplished, pull out a paper. Tell me why that you love dogs so much, or if you chose cats, or whatever animal you chose, tell me why you love them. Tell me why they mean so much to you. Okay? So this is your project. This is what I want you to do. And I hope that you have a fun time figuring it out. So let me know if you need any help. Thanks for listening.